without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what we got in the back of Chomper for the Duramax. Drum roll, please. Holy crap, we got some freaking captain seats for the rear. Of course, I've always wanted to do this. I think it is so freaking baller when any truck has got rear captain seats. It's just so cool. Of course, some trucks came with them, like 10th gen F-150 is the Harley Davidson. Was there any GMT-800s? I don't think so. I think it all was the Ford world, and then now we're able to, because of GM making things so similar, customize it to where we have rear captain seats in our GMT-800s. These are out of a 2004 Suburban, which is very important. 2500, 3500 trucks apparently have the same floorboard as the long SUVs of this generation. So the Suburban, the Yukon XLs, whatever the big Cadillac is, they have the same floor. That's why if you look up sub boxes for the 2500 versus the 1500, they're actually different. So hopefully those out of the 04 Burb is going to fit in here, which is kind of sad taking these seats out because they are the highly sought after black leather in really good condition. The bottom portion has been replaced on the driver's seat, and it's very obvious it's not factory. It doesn't even feel factory. The top portion is original, and it definitely shows it looks rough. Passenger seat is even worse. It's got like stitches and stuff holding the leather together. It needs to be replaced. And for the longest time, I've wanted to do new custom leather in here, but instead of just doing new leather on the original seats, let's spice it up. Do rear captain seats and then do a center console or a sub box or something. Dude, just picture it now. High country tan leather or like 10th gen King Ranch leather. Is that going to clash with the red? I don't know. Maybe we'll do something completely different, but I've always loved the peanut butter guts, and maybe we won't do that on this truck. Maybe we'll end up doing that on Chomper, but I definitely want to do it in something. And this one is going to get some kind of custom leather because obviously we don't want black front seats and then whatever this is. Pewter. Got some pewter captain seats in the back. I'm going to wash this truck. I'm going to get the seats unloaded. And then tomorrow morning, I'll catch up with y'all and we'll get them in there. All right, let's go ahead and get these seats out. Flip this guy up. This should just pop straight out. Now we've got an 18 mil here, 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 and here, and then the other seat has, I think, 4 on as well. Same deal over here. Flip this guy up, pop this guy straight out. We got another plastic cover right here, but how do we pop it free without breaking it? I don't exactly know. That doesn't sound great. I don't like that sound. It's free. What we got? Souvenir, not the Corona light. All right, so now we have this bolt here, 18 mil, another one hidden back there, one here, and then this seat is actually bolted to this seat, but I don't think we have to take it out. So it seems that all 4 are 13 mils. We'll start with these in the back. All right, now our seats are separated. We'll go ahead and pull this passenger side out. Okay, now we're talking, boys. Now we're talking. Oh yeah, she coming out this way. All right, come on out, baby girl. All right. Oh, sweet goodness, it's heavy. Woo. Holy crap. We're going down. All right. I didn't pinch my finger. And the seat is out. Holy crap. 10 out of 10. Recommend a friend. All right. This one should be about 1,000 times lighter. So let's just fold her down. Snatch it out of you. Oh, don't do that to me, girl. Come on now. All right. that didn't sound good. That didn't sound good at all. Got a little juice on my phone, and I also finished vacuuming out the rear. It is looking honestly really good. There's a couple little stains and stuff which we might can, you know, steam clean or something and get out. Or when we have all the seats out for reupholstery, we might end up just redoing the carpet as well. Maybe do black because it looks charcoal. Maybe it was originally black. Actually, it looks like it was originally lighter. It was probably gray because I removed our little jack kit because obviously he ain't gonna do no good on this truck, and it's gonna have a big gap right here, so we don't want it to look bad there. Either way, yeah, we're ready to try to throw the seats in. Let's hope they go in as smooth as these came out. Okay, let's don't scratch anything. Nice and careful. Oh, should probably scoot the passenger seat forward. That would have made too much sense to do at the beginning. All right, please, for the love of everything, let these holes line up correctly. Please, don't let this be a flop. Oh, that's looking like that's too long. That's looking like that's too long, boys. That is, that's not looking great, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to start crying. What is happening? Oh yeah, it is. This side right here is in fact too long. So this metal bracket, if I can hop up in here one-handed, is just a little too long. So if we cut this lip off, it'll be able to sit down in place and everything should line up perfectly. But I guess before we go cutting that, let's try to get this driver's side in and see if it's the same issue, or, well, I guess we can probably just look, can't we? Let's go check it out. Kind of hard to tell. I guess let's go ahead and try to throw this in there. Well, we got to pull the other one out as well to be able to cut it, because I ain't cutting it inside. Changed my mind. We are going to try to cut it in the truck so I don't have to lift it back in there. And my Sawzall blades are all destroyed from the exhaust hacking that we've done recently. I tried to straighten this one out as much as possible, but we will see how it goes. We basically just need to cut this lip off. Oh my gosh, you would not believe how straight that is. That is gorgeous. Put a little black paint on here so this doesn't rust or anything. I'm honestly still shook how good I cut that with an extremely non-straight blade. Alright, there's that one. What's the hold up? Oh baby, let's freaking go! Dude, that's her. Let's bolt it down. See how she's fitting. Looks like it slides on the rails, but how does it slide on the rails? That part I do not know. Like this. Oh wow, sick. I don't know where's the lever for that. Is that just with this? Ow. I don't think so. That's locked. That's her. Will the little headrest fit on it? Probably, but I don't have a pin to take it off. Bruh. Dude. That is freaking sick. That is freaking baller, boys. And, well, is that all the way back? Okay, now we talking. All right, now we're lean back. That's good. So you can go up higher. Oh my gosh, yes. I guess we'll throw this on there just for the time being. Get the full look with it. Will it sit back? It will. Out. me having to cut you. That would be so very nice of you. Please and thanks. Maybe. Oh boy, let's freaking go. That is her. Holy crap. Dude, this is so freaking sick. Oh my gosh, they're in there. They are freaking in there, bolted down. Ugh. Lock in. Yes. Yes. Bruh. Let's run some freaking B-roll. Duramax Power Stroke Cummins. I don't care what you drive, what you love. You can't say this doesn't sound glorious. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm hoping that B-roll turned out awesome. It looked extra crispy when I was filming it, but obviously we are back at the farm. That location is always very loud due to the traffic, so I figured let's just come back here and do the full walk around now that the rear captain seat install is done. Holy crap, I am absolutely in love. Now, obviously, the only negative I would say to this is you lose being able to carry 5 people. Now it is 4 legally, unless you... Legally, it's 4 now, right? Okay, so that's one downside, I guess. If you like carrying a bunch of people, it's not going to be a problem with this truck at all, or honestly, me in general. But yeah, dude, it looks so freaking good. I am stoked with it. Our diamond floor mats were able to squeak in here. I need to adjust them a little bit, but dude, how freaking sick is that? It's so freaking awesome. I guess we'll do a full like interior look for anyone that might be new or just curious, because I did talk about this passenger side, so it's pretty clapped out. It's honestly pretty weird to see the passenger seat as worn or worse than the driver. Whoever owned this previous and put all the miles on it, they clearly had him a little sweetheart in a passenger seat that rode everywhere with them. It might have just been a full-blown work truck with... I mean, it's weird because the back seat was like perfect, but then these 2 front seats are like really... It's probably like a husband and a wife. They probably pulled a horse trailer, whatever the case. The truck was totally stock height-wise, and so... yeah, it's a lot of wear. I mean, the truck is a 07 with 206,000 miles on it, but yeah. Either way, definitely need to be re-leathered for sure. Armrest. Somebody's daggum greasy elbow needs to get off that thing. Gosh, no. Got some stitches over there on the driver. Yeah, it's worn. It is what it is. But obviously, the interior is totally black everywhere except for the headliner, which kind of matches our seats. No, we definitely need to redo that, but we also need a new seal for the sunroof because it freaking leaks. And yeah, anyways, many things left to do to the old Duramax. There's probably never going to be an end of things to do. But dude, this freaking interior is so good. GMT-800, you are beautiful. Oh, DVD players. These are factory, I found out. So you could option these when you bought the truck, which is super cool and baller. But they don't work, and I found out why they don't work, because I took these headrests off to potentially swap these under there and put the little ones here, or vice versa. They have wires that run up through the pole, and they're snipped off. They were right there where I could see them, but I don't think you can reconnect video and audio wires, can you? I don't think so. I think it'd have to be completely replaced. We're going to just find new headrests that don't have these in them, and it is what it is. Either way, also, one piece right here did not come with the seats. Those other little pieces were for the other sides, or the other bolts. We don't have one cover, and the black ones that were on the original seats can't fit because of this guy, so we could trim that down, or maybe I'll shoot that guy a message and maybe he just forgot to give it to me when, you know, I bought the seats from him. I don't know. Either way, missing one right there. Not the end of the world for sure, but yeah, dude, this is so freaking cool. If I can hop up in here with a phone, yeet. Oh man, it feels so freaking good. I have wanted to do this forever, and it's just freaking awesome. I mean, gosh dog, man. Definitely not the first person to do this. Definitely won't be the last, but I am stoked that I finally pulled the trigger and actually tried it. And y'all saw, aside from cutting the very end of that one bracket on the passenger side, it bolted in perfectly, no modification needed whatsoever. And so I am so stoked with it. I wish I'd have found black seats, yes, of course, but we got to get with Trey and hopefully get some new leather wrapped up on the entire interior, and then tackle our headliner, and we need a new radio, and then a freaking custom sub box right here. How sick would that be? A ton of things left to do on the old Duramax, including the old CP3 that we need to do on this thing, or injectors, or whatever it is. I don't want to talk about it. I'm depressed, okay? Either the last day of 2024, you're seeing this, or the first day of 2025, which definitely does not sound right, but hey, what a great way to end off the year or start the new one, especially depending on if you see the other video, which is not a good video. If you hadn't seen that yet, we got a not good video coming, boys. But either way, yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the rear captain seats. Should we do it on Chomper? Should we not have done it on this one? Do you freaking love it on this one? What color interior or leather should we do? Just let me know everything, because I read through the comments and a lot of y'all give me some good ideas on content to do. So yeah, there it is. Hope y'all enjoyed.